If the moon is said to be airless, icy cold, and blasted by ancient impacts, why does the surface in old Apollo mission footage seem soft enough to take a crisp footprint? Here's the puzzle. In extreme cold, most materials harden. You'd expect a surface that's stiff, crusty, maybe even rock solid like the top of a frozen lake. But the visuals we've all seen show something closer to dusty snow. Not melting, not shimmering, just strangely moldable. And that contrast is what gets people wondering. Could the surface behave differently than we imagine? Could our assumptions about distant environments be shaped more by storytelling than first-hand experience? This is where the conversation becomes interesting. So, let's try a creative angle. Think of a stage designer trying to mimic an otherworldly place. They wouldn't choose shiny ice or jagged stone. They'd probably pick something that absorbs light, moves softly, and doesn't reflect glare. A texture that behaves like sifted ash or velvety soil. That's not saying it happened, only that this comparison helps us understand why some people raise questions about what they see. Our goal isn't to declare truth, but to explore how visuals influence belief. For example, when viewers notice perfectly defined footprints or gentle slopes that hold their shape, they naturally compare them to earthly surfaces they know. Volcanic ash, studio dust, rogue desert sand. Each carries that familiar softness. And once the brain recognizes a pattern from home, it starts asking, how does a frozen environment produce such warm behavioring terrain? That single question often opens many more.